So we're in the middle of this project and I'm about ready to flip the camera around and kind of show you how a pool builder had built up a step for no reason, then a few other things going on, and especially this back wall right here I want to show you. So anyway, hold on. So I talk all the time regarding you don't know what's underneath of your system until you get into it. So we start looking at this wall, and right over in here, the wall was actually on top of the concrete, and there's another part to it where it L-shapes inside. But the structural integrity of this wall and then the pavers, I think we're gonna have to rebuild this, and we're gonna take a much closer look at it. So here's another look at it. You can see how it was literally sitting right on top of the concrete. So for safety factor, earthquakes, California, we're probably going to have to rebuild it. And we're going to be talking about that a little bit later today. And then back over here, this artificial step up back here in the back of the pool, we're going to be demoing all that out, and then they're going to put the coping there. So it's going to be a walkway all the way through. But when they built it, they threw concrete in there. They threw just stuff. So we're going to level that out, make this back pool deck a lot larger by that step being gone, and then adding some turf. Anyway, like to show you stages, but again, you don't know what's underneath of your system. You don't know how it's built until you get to that point and you start taking things apart. So this is a good time to show you. Anyway, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. Still a lot of changes coming to this backyard. Low voltage lighting, stack stone, whole bunch of stuff. Anyway, I'm out.